Hey everyone! With features and hardware well beyond its price range, the Infinix GT30 Pro 5G is a significant advancement for the company and solidifies its place in the gaming smartphone market. It is immediately apparent that Infinix has changed its design ethos to one that is more aggressive and sophisticated. With its sleek metallic frame and glass back with geometric designs and a subtle 3D texture that reflects light beautifully. The model displayed here is available in Blade White. The GT30 Pro's cooling system and accessory support are both based on Infinix's concept of immersive gaming. In order to help maintain a steady temperatures during prolonged gaming sessions, the phone is compatible with the MagSafe style MagCharge cooler. The GT30 Pro really glows on the screen. It makes use of a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a gigantic 2,160 Hz touch sampling rate, an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 1.5K resolution. This implies that inputs are instantaneous, something mobile gamers would value right away. The brightness levels are high enough for outdoor use, the contrast is profound, and the colors are vibrant. MediaTek's Dimensity 8350 chipset powers the Infinix GT30 Pro. Even when playing demanding games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact, the Mali G615 MC6 GPU manages visual tasks and maintains fluid frame rates. The phone's 256 gigs UFS 4.0 storage guarantees lightning-fast loading times, and its 12 gigs LPDDR5X RAM can be virtually increased to 24 gigs. Bypass charging is a really creative gaming feature. When the phone is plugged in, power can be sent directly to the processor instead of the battery, which lowers heat and increases battery life during prolonged playback. The camera system was not overlooked by Infinix either. A 108 megapixels primary sensor and an 8 megapixel secondary lens are part of the back configuration. Images taken during the day have a strong dynamic range, realistic textures, and are crisp and vivid. Both the primary and wide-angle lenses can capture video, and handheld footage can be smoothed down with the use of electronic stabilization. In strong light, the 13 megapixels front-facing camera takes good selfies. However, in low light, noise becomes noticeable. A 5,500 mAh battery powers all of this, and even with intensive gaming and multimedia use, it easily lasts a full day. Another highlight is charging. 45-watt wired fast charging can fully charge the battery in less than an hour and get it to 50% charge in just 25 minutes. Additionally, the GT30 Pro has 30-watt wireless charging, which is a first for Infinix and marks the company's entry into a more upscale market. The GT30 Pro is intended to redefine what is feasible at this pricing range, according to Infinix. It's more than simply a gaming smartphone, it's a testament to the brand's development. It offers exceptional value for the money because of its flagship-grade screen, powerful performance, cutting-edge cooling, and features like 30-watt wireless power and bypass charging. The GT30 Pro demonstrates Infinix's obvious desire to compete with more well-known brands, even though the business may not yet be the industry leader in gaming smartphones. This may be one of the most alluring options available right now for gamers and power users searching for a high-performance phone at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.